What walks on its toes can soar through the air with the greatest of ease on perfect pointe? Why, Les Ballets LOL's Men in Pink Tights can, of course. Direct from New York, Men in Pink Tights is a hilarious all-male ballet comedy produced by Victor Trevino, the artistic director who brought you Men in Tutus. Men in Pink Tights will have the whole family in stitches as the world's very best male ballet dancers make you rethink everything you thought you knew about ballet. So who says ballet cannot be fun? Book now and laugh out loud.